Welcome to Second Life Upcycling. In this tutorial, I've altered a beautifully made pair of white linen pants that were given to me by a friend. They were much too big for me, so I had to make quite a few major alterations. The first step was to remove the lining. With the lining removed, I pressed the inner seam of each pant leg. This is where I'm going to sew my new seam, which will take in the pants and make them more tailored to my size. After pinning my new seams, I then try on the pants to ensure I haven't taken in too much or too little. Then it's over to the sewing machine to sew the new inside leg seams. Happy with the new pant leg width, I machine sew the new seam of each pant leg. I then cut away the excess fabric so it can't be seen through the pants. To prevent fraying, I sew another zigzag seam adjacent to my new inner leg seam. I don't have an overlocker, so the zigzag is my go-to. Next, I need to reduce the pant leg length. With 4 buttons, I'm going to make my life easier by using the bottom buttons in my guide, cutting just above the 4th button. This leaves me enough fabric for the hem. After pinning and pressing my new hem, it's over to the sewing machine. Here's one tip that I always try to remember. When pinning, always have them facing in the direction you're sewing for easy removal. You can see this happening here. And finally, the waistband is too loose and needed to be adjusted to fit my waist. To do this, I added some darts around the waistband. First I pinned them and then tried the pants on. After some adjustments, it's over to the sewing machine to finish them off. And voila, here they are finished. I must admit, this is one of my favorite projects. The outcome has been so great, and I am wearing these pants to death. They're comfortable, they look great. Casually, they look fantastic. I can dress them up. Best pants ever. Thanks for watching. And if you love thrifting and upcycling and want ideas on what you can do to keep clothing, furniture, and other household items from ending up in landfill, make sure you subscribe for updates. See you next time.